If you want to take macro photos on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you don't really have to do much in order to take those macro photos. As you can see, the camera can detect by itself if you are about to take a macro photo. So as an example, I'm gonna place this little card over here. And as you can see, we have this flower icon, and this is the indicator of the macro photo mode. And now we can even zoom in order to capture a beautiful photo. But as you can see, if you try to zoom in too much, the macro photo may shut down, or as you can see, it might go crazy like this. So essentially, you might want to keep the distance between the small object and the camera to avoid those issues, or try to zoom out a little bit and then come closer to the object. If you want to, for example, turn off this macro mode, you can tap on this flower, and there we go, we have the focus enhancer. It is actually called focus enhancer here, but this is essentially the macro mode. So if you want to take macro photos, use it like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!